Hello guys, in this video I'll show you OpenAI has made this model which is GPT 5.6 Luna, completely free and unlimited. So as you can see the article right here, Times of India, which is a very famous newspaper in India, on August 7th, 2026 has written this article. OpenAI upgrades ChatGPT free users to GPT 5.6 Luna, adds unlimited text chats. So what this means is that if you read the article, they have made this model GPT 5.6 Luna as the default model for free users. So now once you go to ChatGPT, you simply need to create a free account and log in with your Google account. I have already done that. As you can see, it's a free account, and by default once you visit ChatGPT, if you see this, by default you are inside the free plan, and the free plan users doesn't able to switch the model. That is one disadvantage. Only the pro users have the capability to change the model. So once they come inside the website, they have the ability to change the model, but the free users doesn't have this ability. So once you come to this chat prompt, you can ask here what is the current model selected. So GPT 5.6 Luna is the current model. So you can see that I asked the question to the AI, what is the current model selected? So you are currently chatting with GPT 5.6 Luna. So this is actually chat GPT current model right here. So if you want to read more about this model, they recently done that. So as you can see, more articles have been there. So in this easy way, you can get access to GPT 5.6 Luna model. Simply go to chat GPT, create an account, just log in with your Google account and simply ask any kind of question. So I basically have seen some improvements. It is really effective model. The speed is also increased in comparison to the previous models that was there in the free plan, and the speed is obviously it has been increased because of this GPT 5.6 that they have released. GPT 5.6 Luna model. You can see OpenAI updates for all free users. So they have written this article, you can read more about it, how this model is. You can see that 2026 I ask a question. You can just see the speed here, guys. It is instantly fast. In a half of a second it gave me this answer. And similarly, if I ask any other question, let's suppose I say build an application image to PDF web app in browser. Previously I wanted to wait, but now this model GPT 5.6 Luna model instantly creates the application. It draws the version as well. You can see that. So if you want to build a full working React image to PDF application for me, so now as you can see, it is analyzing this application and then it will generate the code for you. So you can just see the speed here of generating the code right here. It is instantly fast, and in comparison to other models, I think that GPT 5.6 Luna model is really powerful model, and it is completely free for free users in ChatGPT. You can access it today itself by going to ChatGPT and just log in with your Google account. So you can see that download the complete project. It has built a entire project in just 5 seconds. You click the download button, as you can see, 6.29 kilobytes. And I have used other AI coding agents as well to build this application. I think they took around 2 to 3 minutes minimum, but this OpenAI model has, as you can see, it has built out this entire application in just under 5 seconds. So I think that this is a really big improvement. I've shown you the proof here. Definitely use this model. It is completely free, and by default, it is the default model in ChatGPT. So definitely use it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and I will be seeing you in the next video.